Oh, hey there. It's poppin', guys. My name is John Barker. I am the award-winning pitmaster at Beach Bum Barbecue and the executive chef here at Skull and Mortar. And today we are gonna prep for our Super Bowl parties. I know what some of you guys are gonna say here in 2021. We shouldn't be partying. And you're probably right. But I have kids, you might have kids. So we're still gonna pretend like there's no pandemic in my house, and we are gonna throw down some great snacks for the family. And today, we're gonna step it up. We're gonna go from 0 to 10 straight out of the gate. We are gonna do Cool Ranch Dorito chicken wings. We got a bag of Cool Ranch Doritos here because if you're gonna make Doritos chicken wings, is there really even another Dorito worth using? Don't say nacho cheese, don't say spicy nacho. It's definitely Cooler Ranch. I'm probably gonna eat this chip. This is probably gonna sound terrible on the microphone. Now we're just gonna pulse this guy down as I eat this chip. Now once we break that down, we're just gonna keep on adding chips. We're gonna need a lot of dust here, I think. So you wanna break these down to about the consistency of a panko breadcrumb. Still using the worst gloves of all time. Anytime you're working with chicken, you wanna make sure you're extra clean, my friend. You do not wanna be passing salmonella around. You thought COVID was bad, try having it with a case of salmonella. And now we're gonna take our vegetable spray and we're just gonna hit that. Now guys, we're gonna grab our Skull and Mortar Rub, now available at skullandmortar.com. It's in stock, it's shipping now. And we're just gonna give a light dust here. We want the salt in the rub to start pulling out some of the moisture in the skin of the chicken so that we get a nice crispy bite through. Go ahead and flip that guy over. Again, we're not over rubbing here. We're not making barbecue wings, we're making Dorito wings, for the love of God. And again, we're gonna hit it with some of that Skull and Mortar again, just a light dusting. We're not going over the top here. All right, don't be a lunatic. Have some common sense. Don't overdo it like I just did on that wing right after I told you not to overdo it. Guys, I've got my smoker and it is blazing right now at 300 degrees. We're gonna throw these wings on here. We're gonna give them about an hour and then we're gonna pull them and we're gonna turn these bad boys into Dorito Cool Ranch chicken wings. I think I said that backwards. So after we get you looking dope as possible in your Skull and Mortar t-shirt, we gotta get to the cooking. We might as well get that food tasting fly as possible with your Beach Bum Barbecue Rub, made exclusively by Skull and Mortar. It's award-winning. It's gonna take your food from the bottom to the top. And after we sauce you up, we might as well rub you up, my friends, with that Skull and Mortar Rub. That's right, don't be a pervert. We're not talking about that kind of rub up, my friend. We're talking about the rub that you put on your meat. Again, come on, dude. Have some class. Put this on your chicken, your pork, your beef, your fish. It doesn't matter, you can put it on anything. If you can find something you can't put it on, shoot me a DM because you'll literally blow my own mind. Check it out now at skullandmortar.com. We got our wings on, and now my friends, it's time to get that dredge ready because not only are we gonna smoke these wings, we're gonna deep fry them too. So we're gonna get literally all the flavor in there. We're gonna go ahead and drop about 2 cups of flour in here. And then we're going to put our Doritos mix in there. It's fine, guys, you don't have to take care of your kitchen equipment. You can drop it on the ground and break it like I do. Now once you get them mixed together, you have a copious amount of Dorito Wonder in here. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna whisk that together. Just kind of whisk it until it looks pretty even. If you got any big yellow chunks in there, it's probably not whisked good enough. And that's kind of what we're looking for. We got about all the Dorito flavor in there. The flour is gonna also kind of help even out the breading. So that way you get a nice even coat. It's gonna stick better. That's about what you're looking for right there, my friends. I wonder if it tastes good. You guys ever ate regular flour before? It's terrible. Let's give it a shot and see what happens. I would not recommend that. But it's gonna be good on our wings. You can definitely taste the Dorito in there. I'm pretty hyped on this. This is gonna be awesome. So our chicken wings have been on the smoker for exactly 1 hour, and you can tell that skin is starting to brown up nicely. Some of that moisture's coming out, and we have a good color from the rub. While it was smoking, I was kind of thinking about what flavor I really wanted to pop here. And I think that we need to add a pinch of salt and pepper to this, just to kind of bring out those Cool Ranch flavors. So in this mixture here, there's salt, pepper, a tiny bit of garlic, maybe about a teaspoon of each. So we're gonna go ahead and again, whisk that again, make sure that that's all spread evenly throughout. Now that we got that taken care of, we want to make our egg wash. So we've got 4 eggs in here. We're gonna go ahead and whisk that up, create a good wash. This bowl's probably way too big for this. We probably could have got away with like a normal size bowl. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take our chicken wing and we're just gonna go ahead and dunk it right into the egg. Get a nice egg coating there. Pull it out, drop it right into our right into our breading. We're gonna get as much egg on there as possible with a second coating, and we're gonna go right back into our Dorito mixture. I'm gonna take that out, right into the fryer. We're gonna check that in about 3 minutes. Again, remember, we already got a head start on getting it cooked. Guys, it's done. We smoked it, we breaded it, we fried it, and it looks phenomenal. The one thing I'm noticing here is this is a big ass wing. This might be a little much if you're trying to have wings as far as your social gathering go and people are walking around eating them. This basically looks like a big ass piece of fried chicken at this point. Now, so if you were gonna do this for that purpose, I would probably say to use the smaller separated wings, but we are gonna dive into this because it looks great, it smells great, it's crispy as possible. Look at that thing, man. Look at the breading on that. Let's go and pop that open. Look at that chicken. Moist, juicy. Let's have a bite. The flavor on this thing is interesting. It's pretty good, man. It's definitely different than a normal breaded chicken wing. It definitely doesn't taste like a flour-based breading. It tastes more like a corn-based breading. You can taste that Dorito on the back end. It's pretty good. If you like this video, if you learned something, if you see something you want to try, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. Enjoy a breaded wing that also has a smoky flavor, and we will see you guys next week with a brand new video. SkullandMortar.com. Check it out.